I think there will be a dry round as well. देखो, the car is being washed. It is called bubble wash. I'm inside the car here. Car washing is ongoing. First round done. This is second round. Wow. Looks cool. I think there will be a dry round as well. I've been told there will be a green light there, this one, then I have to move. That indicates the wash is complete and I can leave now. I had to pay 8,000 won, which is around 450 Indian rupees. I think this is dry round. They're blowing air. This side better. Yeah. It is blowing. I can feel. How do I feel? I think car has inlet and fan is on probably. Okay, I'll stop the video and leave. The green light is on. Here I go. This is how the automatic car washing is done in South Korea.